If Firefox keeps crashing, freezing, or hanging, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that can usually solve the problem fast. We'll start with the easiest steps first, then move on to deeper troubleshooting if needed. And if this video helps you out, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing you should do is update Firefox and restart it. A lot of crashing issues come from bugs that have already been fixed in newer versions, so keeping your browser updated is one of the best first steps. To do that, click the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of Firefox to open the menu. Then go to Help and click About Firefox. Firefox will automatically check for updates, download anything that's missing, and apply the latest fixes. Once it finishes, restart the browser so the update can fully take effect. If Firefox is still crashing or hanging after that, the next thing to check is whether an add-on or an extension is causing the problem. Bad extensions can interfere with normal browsing, slow everything down, or even make Firefox stop responding completely. To test this, open the menu again and go to Extensions and Themes, click Extensions, and then start turning off your extensions one by one. After disabling each one, try using Firefox for a moment to see if the issue goes away. If Firefox suddenly becomes stable after disabling a specific extension, you've probably found the cause. You can leave that one off or remove it entirely. Another thing that can affect Firefox performance is hardware acceleration. This feature can help in some cases, but on certain systems, it can also trigger crashes or hanging, especially if your graphics driver is outdated or unstable. To change this setting, click the menu and go to Settings. In the search box, type Performance, then scroll down to the Performance section. First, untick Use Recommended Performance Settings. After that, uncheck Use Hardware Acceleration when available. Once you've changed that setting, restart Firefox again and test it to see if the stability improves. If Firefox is still giving you trouble, the next step is to clear the cache and cookies. Over time, corrupted temporary files can build up and cause strange browser behavior, including freezing, crashing, or pages not loading properly. To clear them, click the menu, then go to History and select Clear Recent History. In the Time Range dropdown, choose Everything so you clear out all the problematic temporary data. Then make sure cookies and cache are checked. Once you've selected those, click Clear. After that, restart Firefox and see whether it runs more smoothly. Now, if none of those fixes solve the issue, you may want to refresh Firefox. This is a very useful built-in option because it resets Firefox to its default state while keeping important data like bookmarks and passwords. It can remove corrupted settings, damage preferences, and other hidden issues that may be causing the crashes. To do this, click the menu, then go to Help and open more troubleshooting information. On that page, you'll see a Refresh Firefox button. Click it, then confirm your choice in the pop-up window. Firefox will reset itself, and once it's done, you can test the browser again with a much cleaner setup. So to quickly recap, update and restart Firefox, disable extensions and hardware acceleration, clear cache and cookies, and if needed, refresh Firefox completely. In most cases, one of these steps will get your browser back to normal and stop the crashing or hanging for good. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe for more helpful browser fixes, computer tips, and step-by-step how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.